Do you have a sales plan set for 2021? We've gone ahead and put together a free sales plan template for you and your team to use so you can visualize your long-term and monthly goals while setting individual quotas. Here's how the template works. To the left, we have the overall company's annual revenue goal total. Below that, we have broken down the job type revenue goals that add up to the company's annual goal. And below that, we've broken down the individual sales team members' annual goals that also add up to that company's annual total. You'll notice that these are color-coded to match the job type that each salesperson is responsible for. To the right, we have the company's gross margin percentage goal that you'll set for the year by job type and by individuals. This is important because this is how you make your profits. The columns to the right are broken down by month. In our template, we've evenly divided each month by the total revenue goal, but it's important to note that this template is 100% customizable, and you can adjust this to fit your company's seasonalities if there are any. The last thing we recommend doing with this template is entering these goals into Followup so that everything is cloud-based and can be easily accessed and presented on your homepage and reports. Here's how you would enter that information. Note, you must be an admin or champion to be able to do this. Once you log into Followup CRM, go to the top right drop-down and click on Company Settings. Next, click on the People tab. And from here, you'll start individually entering each team member's quotas by clicking on the dollar icon next to their name. From here, you'll enter in all those details you filled out in that template. Repeat this process for all your team members and then you're all set. This template is a great way to set goals and keep track of them each and every month. Simply fill out the form to receive your free template. Happy planning!